Hey everyone, the Galaxy S24 FE has arrived, and the ongoing debate continues. Why settle for the FE version when you could just add a bit more and go for the full-fledged Galaxy S24? For a considerable amount of time, this question has persisted, particularly among supporters and detractors of Samsung's FE or Fan Edition range. Traditionally, the FE model has been thought of as a slightly more affordable variant of the flagship, but it is still significantly more expensive than low-cost options. Nonetheless, there are devoted fans of the FE series. These consumers want a well-rounded smartphone with cutting-edge capabilities, but they don't want to spend a fortune on a flagship phone, costing $1,000 or more. The FE is seen by some as the ideal compromise, a flagship experience without the flagship cost. With the Galaxy S24 FE, Samsung maintains its superior design aesthetic while taking on a more sophisticated appearance than its predecessors. The FE sticks out, especially in mint, with its smooth lines, simplistic aesthetics, and 4 color options: graphite, gray, blue, and mint. It is made more durable with the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and aluminum frame, and it is comfortable to carry thanks to the flat display and slender design. It's not as spectacular as some luxury versions, but it holds its own in terms of aesthetics and durability, having IP68 water and dust resistance. The Galaxy S24 FE's 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display is one of its best features. This is no low-cost panel, with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a resolution of 2340 by 1880 pixels. It is clear, crisp, and responsive. Whether you're browsing, playing games, or watching videos, the display provides an excellent experience. It is simple to operate in a variety of lighting situations, thanks to the brightness's ability to handle direct sunlight and its smooth auto brightness changes. The Exynos 2400, a 4nm chip that powers the Galaxy S24 FE, is essentially an underclocked variant of the chip found in the standard Galaxy S24. In terms of performance and efficiency, Exynos chips have a mixed reputation. Nevertheless, the 2400 found in the S24 FE holds its own against Snapdragon chips. It is more than capable of handling multitasking, like gaming and daily duties. That being said, this phone might not be your first choice if you're an avid gamer. It suffers at higher settings in graphics-heavy titles like Warzone, so you'll have to settle with medium to low sets. Positively, most casual users will have a seamless experience as the smartphone doesn't throttle significantly unless it is experiencing a prolonged severe load. The Galaxy S24 FE is pre-installed with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6.1, which has all of the company's AI-powered capabilities. This features the neural processing unit from Samsung for AI-based optimizations, speech recognition, and photo editing, among other things. The experience is kept up to date and professional, with features like AI-enhanced photo processing, configurable widgets, and always-on display. Additionally, Samsung has improved ecosystem connectivity, so that data sharing and synchronization is effortless if you own other Samsung devices. Additional features include an AI note-taking assistant, an offline translator, and audio transcriptions right within the keyboard. The S24 FE's camera configuration consists of an 8-megapixels telephoto lens with a 3x optical zoom, a 12-megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixels primary sensor. The camera really excels in the daylight, capturing detailed photos with excellent dynamic range and color fidelity. While not quite as broad as the normal S24, the ultra-wide is still fairly good, and the telephoto offers good zoom capabilities. Night photography is not as good as real flagships, but it's still decent. Although the phone manages low light conditions fairly well, clarity and quality are noticeably reduced when compared to the flagship Galaxy S24. Nevertheless, considering the price, the majority of consumers will find the camera system impressive. With a 4700 mAh battery, the S24 FE has a little bigger capacity than the model from last year. This offers a reliable battery life throughout the entire day, even with moderate to intensive use. Depending on usage, you should still have about 20% left at the end of the day. Although it's not the fastest, Samsung's fast charging supports up to 25 watt and does the job well. The Galaxy S24 FE is presented as a flagship that is well-rounded. For those seeking a flagship experience without the flagship cost, this is it. It costs $650 and provides many of the same features as the Galaxy S24, including a strong camera system, an outstanding display, and good performance for most tasks. However, the standard S24 might be a better option if you're the kind of user that wants the latest camera technology or expects the best gaming performance. But the S24 FE is a strong option for everyone else, particularly for people who prioritize affordability and don't want to pay more than $900. Users looking for a good gift option with all the newest tech capabilities, or those who want a premium phone without the premium price tag, will find it suitable. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and see you soon.